brothers, as the Church comes together once again to celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, we are reminded of the eternal hope that His coming brings to the world. And I would like to connect the profound mystery of Christmas with the beautiful theme our beloved Pope Francis has proposed for the Jubilee year 2025, namely Pilgrims of Hope. Christmas is the story of a journey, a holy pilgrimage undertaken by Mary and Joseph as they traveled to Bethlehem. It was a journey of trust, of obedience, of hope. Despite the struggles, uncertainties and discomforts they faced, their hearts remained steadfast in God's promise. In that humble stable, the Word became flesh, and the hope of humanity was born in that tiny babe on a manger. Like Mary and Joseph, we too are called to be pilgrims of hope. In a world often overshadowed by war, division and suffering, the birth of Jesus reminds us that God has not abandoned us. He walks with us in our pilgrimage, guiding us towards His light and love. The Jubilee year 2025 invites us to embrace this very spirit of pilgrimage. To be a pilgrim is to set out with faith, to persevere through challenges, and to journey together toward a common goal. As pilgrims of hope, we are not passive observers. We are active participants in God's plan. This Christmas, let us renew our commitment to be messengers of hope in our families, in our communities, and in the world at large. I wish you a joyful, hope-filled, and blessed Christmas. May the Christ child, the God with us, strengthen our earthly journey and fill our hearts with enduring hope. Happy Christmas and a blessed New Year.